Butterfly. Welcome to Butterfly Dreams. I am Stephanie, and today I want to tackle some craft room organization. It has gotten a bit out of hand for my personal comfort, and I'm trying to figure out other ways how I can store certain items. For example, my craft desk, it's just exploded with things that I was working on since December, believe it or not. And so now I need to figure out where all of these items are gonna go. If you guys remember, those beads were like the thing for a minute, and trim, just everything. And then here's my little station for my Etsy shop. And so I also want to figure out a better system because I feel like this is not quite working for me. And then this is where I usually film and do my things, and I feel like this might be an easier cleanup than everything. But then here I have some items I purchased at Dollar Tree recently, and I'm hoping this will work for some type of storage. As you can see, I also have those bins. I always like to use those, not just for books or folders. You can organize vinyls, pretty much anything that can stand up. Can you believe that these mats are $1 at Dollar Tree? I have never seen a deal like that. Not even Daiso, I don't believe, has it for $1. At least not in New Jersey. Our store is a little bit pricier than Daiso's in California. But this is a really sturdy, good quality mat, guys. Like, I was so shook when I found that. And I also found these storage boxes that are new to me. They're flat, and I find that they're a little roomier than the regular boxes that we find in the craft section. So I'm hoping I can organize these. And Luisa usually puts some stickers. Luisa from my crafty boutique thought that was a cute touch, so maybe I'll put some of my shop vinyls on here or something like that, just to give it a little bit more of a creative, personal touch. And so what else? And then I also have these envelopes, perfect for stickers. If you are a stationery lover, sticker lover, that's perfect for stickers, maybe for your Hobonichi. These clear envelopes, and then these envelopes, I love the colors. So I'm hoping they will come in handy somehow, because I always seem to have papers upon scrap papers, and I can never get myself to get rid of them. So let me stop yapping. Let's get into some organization. It's been about an hour. This is my progress. This desk is as clean as it's gonna get. This tends to be where I make all the happy messes and creation, so I'm gonna leave it as is. I was able to figure out some space here. And then over in my little craft shop section, I use these containers. I really like them, by the way. I definitely have to go back and get more because they're so spacious compared to the previous craft containers that we get, and it's $1, guys. So what I do find annoying though is that I can't really remove the sticker part from it, so I'll probably have to use glue gun or something like that. But other than that, they're amazeballs. And over here is also where I just emptied out some packets and then just stored them in these bins. So this is some stuff for the shop as well. And then these are just beads and what are these called? Flowers, whatever those are. Just random things that I use to make charms and things like that. And they will go in this drawer. So far it's going great. Some items that I use for the shop, I think this is perfect. I'm also going to share that with you in an upcoming video, so stay tuned. And I have my cafecito, so I'm gonna keep working. I'm at the point where I'm feeling a little discouraged, so I'm gonna try to put on some happy music and see if I can get this done today. right, so this is the final result. I was able to put some stuff away. I was able to clean up that corner there. Up here, I put some of my shop things, and as you can see, I used the bins from Dollar Tree there, and bags. And then here, I'm still working on this. I need to figure out a better way, but I organized the sticker paper. And then here, I also organized this section, some envelopes and tags, and then these Dollar Tree pouches. So I'm loving it. My desk is clear. That's my computer. I attached this here. I saw Crafty Barbie on YouTube. She showed her planner caddy, and she had this, like, one of these little bows from Dollar Tree on a ring, and I thought it was just cute, so I did that to mine, even though it's flopping over, but that's okay. And that's how this section is looking right now. I still have to figure out some type of organization. I mean, I'm probably gonna end up moving soon, so I'm not too hung up on that. And then my desk here is somewhat clear. I don't know where to put that big old jar. I don't have anything in it right now. I used to have punches, but then it grew. So now I don't know. I have it because, first of all, cupcakes, hello. And it's so cute. My sister had sent me some actual cupcakes in that little package there. So I'm loving it so far. And it's gonna work for now. And at least I have a lot more space and sanity. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click like. It will really help out my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and fly free. Bye.